Hello friends, let's start with new exciting project age calculator using Date Picker component. First, click on Layout drag vertical arrangement, horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. Set width of all three arrangement to fill parent. Now, click on User Interface and drag Date Picker, label 1, Date Picker 2, and label 2 component in vertical arrangement. Drag label 3 inside horizontal arrangement. Drag a button and label inside vertical arrangement. Drag button 2 outside the vertical arrangement. Click on screen and align horizontal and vertical to center. Click on background color and select color for screen. Now, select first vertical arrangement and align horizontal to center. Click on Label 3 and set width to fill parent. Click on Vertical Arrangement and align horizontal to center. Click on Label 4 and set width to fill parent. Click on Date Picker 1 and 2 and set width to fill parent. Click on Label 1 and 2 and set width to fill parent. And click on Text Alignment and select Center. Set text alignment to center for Label 3 and 4. Click on button 1 Change text to click. Change background color of button. Make font bold and change font size. Click on Label 4 and delete the text and change font size. Click on Label 1, delete the text and change font size. Same repeat for Label 2. Click on Date Picker 1 and change font to bold. Change font size and text to add current date. Click on Date Picker 2 and change font to bold. Change font size and text to add date of birth. Click on Label 3, change font size and text to tap on Click button to see your age and change background color. Click on Button 2 and change background color of button. Make font bold. Change font size and text to reset. Click on Blocks and click on Variable. Drag Initialize Global and write extra days. Click on Math and drag numeral block 0 and delete 0 and join. Click on Button 1 and drag button 1 click. Click on Button 2 and drag Button 2, enable 2 and click on Logic and drag True and join. This line means Button 2 will enable when we click on Button 1. Now, same we will do for Button 1. To disable for that, we have to use false from Logic. Click on Control and drag If-Then, Else-If-Else block. Click on Logic and drag and block Join With. Click on Math and drag equal to block in first space and change to greater than equal to sign. Same repeat for second space after and block. Click on Date Picker Own and drag Date Picker Own month and drop in first greater than block. Click on Date Picker 2 and drag Date Picker 2 month and drop in second space. Here we are checking the month today is greater than the month of our birth. Same we have to do for day. So in second space, drag Date Picker Day blocks, or we can create duplicate. Click on Label 4 and drag set Label 4 text to and drop in then. Click on Text box and drag Join block. Here, add 5 more strings to represent date. Click on Text box and drag Empty Text box and join in all odd number places. In first type, you are. In second type, year. In third type, month. In last type, days. Click on Math block and drag minus block in second space. Create duplicate of date picker month and drop in first space. Create duplicate of date picker month and here change date picker to 2. Change month to year. Create duplicate of math block and drop in fourth space and change year to month. Create duplicate of math block and drop in sixth space and change month to day. Create duplicate of and block in if condition and drop it in else if space here. We have to change the operator. Her change it to less than. Right-click on Lab Alone text to block and create duplicate. Drop inside, then block here. We are checking if month is less, then we have to ask for carry and 1 year will be subtracted in current year. Drag minus operator from math block and drag first minus operator in first space and in second type 1. Drag plus operator from math block and drag first minus operator in first space and in second type 12. Create duplicate of and block in if condition and drop it in else if space here. We have to change the operator. Add else if inside if and drop this block inside else if. Change operator to less than equal to and in second space, select less than block. Here day needs carry so extra days will be added, and 1 month will be added and 1 year will be subtracted. Create duplicate of and block in if condition and drop it in else if space here. We have to change the operator. Select greater than in month and less than in days. Here, day needs carry, so extra days will be added and 1 month will be subtracted and 1 year will be subtracted. Click on Date Picaron and drag Date Picaron after Date Set. Click on Lab Alone and drag Set Lab Alone Text to. Click on Text and add Join Block and add 3 string. Again, click on Text and drag blank text box and drop in even spaces and fill minus. Click on Date Picaron and drag Date Picaron Day. Create 2 duplicate and drop in other 2 spaces and select month and year. Click on Control and drag condition block of if. Click on Math and drag equal to block and in first space drag Date Picaron month and in second type 2. From Control, drag if then else block. Click on Math and drag equal to block. Drag remainder of block and drop in first space. In first space, drag Date Picaron year and in second space, write 4 where after divide write 0. Inside then, drag extra days to 29 or 28 from variable. Click on Logic Block and drag OR. Copy the Date Picaron month equal to 2 and drop in first space and change to 4. Click on Settings and add More or Block. Copy the same block and drop in next space and write number to 6. And repeat the same step, but now number will be 9 and 11. Inside then, drag extra days to 30 or 30, one from variable. Click on Date Picker 2 and drag Date Picker 2 after date set. Create duplicate of set lab alone text 2 and change it to label 2. Click on button 2 and drag button 2 click. Click on button known and drag set button known enabled to and drag true. Create duplicate and disable button 2 by using false block. Click on Label 4 and drag set Label 4 text to and from text box, drag empty text box. Change all date picker on block to 2 in button 2. Click on Build and Generate Android App APK. Scan this QR in mobile and you can see the result. We can see how it is displaying date and how buttons are responding. We can see enabled and disabled button.